Hi everyone, this is G. Shanmuka from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, and today we're gonna cover the topic applications of lasers. Yeah, we will do everything, means we will know about everything about applications in general lasers and its applications. Now, laser 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 stands for the light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, means it used to emit light by emission of radiation, means it emits the light in the form of radiation, and the radiation which is emitted very intensively, very amplifiedly, is called a laser. Means, yeah, in it is different from the conventional light. Means in this conventional light, the intensity of the light produced by the semiconductor will be very normal, means it can be very normal, but when we come to the laser, it will be very intensive, means it has very high intensity, and the amplification is very very high, so that it is called laser. Such as tube light or electric bulb is called the normal conventional light. There is no coordination among different atoms emitting radiation. Laser is a device that emits light, electromagnetic radiation, means it is the device which emits the light which is in the form of electromagnetic radiation through a process is called stimulated emission. Characteristics of a laser light, means what are the characteristics, means by which, through which we can determine the type of the laser light. We can summarize the laser light is coherence, monochromaticity, directionality, and high intensity. Now, types of lasers, there are two types of lasers. One is ruby lasers and another is helium neon gas laser. See, ruby laser and helium neon gas laser are same kind, but there is a little difference between the size of the semiconductor used in the process, in the experiment. Means the ruby laser has some lesser area, lesser diameter, lesser length as compared to the helium neon gas laser. In and the semiconductor used will be in the form of cylinder. Same way in the helium neon gas laser also have same cylindrical shape semiconductor, but there will be some differences in the length, width, and height, or radius both in the both laser lights. Now, applications of laser lights. See, in communications, means majorly it is used in the communication process. Lasers are used in optical fiber communications. In optical fiber communications, lasers are used as a light source to transmit audio or video signals and data to long distances without attention or distortion. Now, the narrow angular spread of laser light beam can be used for communication between Earth and Moon or to satellites. Means the laser light can transport the signals through a long distance. Means we can communicate from Earth to Moon or satellites in the space. Yeah, as laser radiation is not absorbed by the water, so laser beam can be used under the water also. Means if the laser lights, means the laser radiation is absorbed by the water, then there is no capturing of the radiation came through laser source, so through which we can't communicate or we can't send the signals or receive signals. But the laser radiation, the radiation produced by the laser will not be, means it cannot be absorbed by the water, so which through which we can also communicate in under the water inside the sea. Means it can be used in the communication networks in under the water also. And industrial applications, it can be also used for industrial applications. Lasers are used in metal cutting, welding, surface treatment, and hole drilling. Means such an intensive light radiation is passed on a metal, then easily the metal can cut itself because the radiation passed will be very, means it is very high intensive and more powerful for cutting and even welding, also for surface treatmenting and hole drilling. Now, using lasers, cutting can be obtained to any desired shape, and the curved surface is very smooth. Means it cuts a particle or a metal or any other object in a perfect smooth way, and the desired shape can be observed or obtained using proper equipment of using laser light. Now, welding has been carried out by using laser beam. Means a beam of laser will be, they will be thrown on the welding, means normal metal which melts, and the molten metal will be covered with the area which we need to weld. So through which we can also perform welding using laser beam. Dissimilar metals can be welded, and micro welding is done with a great case. Laser beam is used in selective heat treatment for tampering the desired parts in automobile industries. Means it also used in automobile industries also. Lasers are widely used in electronic industries in trimming the components of ICs. Now, it is also used in medical applications. See, lasers are used in medicine to improve precision and work like surgery. Precision means work like surgery, means surgery can be done using the laser beam. And now the surgery is an example of precision surgery. Birthmarks and warts and discoloring of the skin can easily be removed with an unfocused laser. Means using this laser we can also remove the marks or any scratches or discoloring or new coloring on the skin without affecting any skin property. The operations are very quick and heal quickly, and best of all, they are less painful than ordinary surgery performed with a scalpel. Means if we cut the skin, it makes very it will be resulting very lot of pain, but using a laser operation it will be very fast, and it can be very accurate results will become, and there will be less chance of pain. And cosmetic surgery means removing of tattoos, scars, stretch marks, sunspots, wrinkles, birthmarks and hairs. Laser types used in dermatology include Ruby 694 nanometer. These 694 nm represents the wavelength produced by the laser. See, in this way, Ruby 694 nanometer, Alexandrite 755 nanometer, pulsed diode array 810 nanometer, NDYAG 1064 nanometer, HOYAG 2090 nanometer, ERYAG 2940 nanometer. According to the requirement, according to the surgery, the wavelength and the types of the lasers will be changed. And eye surgery and refracting surgery also can be done using laser beam. Now, soft tissue surgery means CUO2 ER glaser laser scalpel, means general surgery of or gynecological, urological or laparoscopic surgery. And even it is used for dental procedures also. Means it can be used for dental operations. And photobiomodulation like laser therapy, and no touch removal of tumors especially of the brain and spinal cord. Means a beam of ray will be passed through the skin, and the skin will not be affected, and directly the laser light will work directly in the required spot. Means brain or spinal cord or any other very sensitive place without any effect. In dentistry, for caries removal, endodontic, periodontic, and procedures, tooth whitening, and oral surgery. And it is also used for military applications, death rays, by focusing high energetic laser beam for few seconds to aircraft, missiles can be destroyed easily. Means by passing a particular wavelength, wave means a particular by passing the laser light with a particular wavelength can directly crash the aircrafts or missiles or any other equipment which is coming opposite to us. So these rays are called as death rays or war weapons. Laser gun, the vital part of energy body, can be evaporated at short range by focusing highly convergent beam from a laser gun. And lidar, light detecting and ranging. In place of radar, we can use lidar to estimate the size and shape of distant objects or war weapons. The differences between radar and lidar are that in case of radar, radio waves are used, and in case of lidar, light is used. Means a beam of laser light is used. Now it is also used in computers also. By using lasers, a large amount of information or data can be stored in CD or ROM, or their storage capacity can be increased. C means it can be also used very computerized also. And lasers are also used in computer printers in, and it is also used in thermonuclear fusion. Yeah. Tonicate nuclear fusion reaction. Very high temperature and pressure is required for this fusion, and this can be created by concentrating large amount of laser energy in the small volume. In the fusion of deuterium and tritium irradiation with a high energy laser beam pulse of 1 nanosecond duration develops a temperature of 10 power 170 degrees. Means such a huge temperature can be developed using laser light in the fraction. Means in a 1 nanosecond such a huge amount of temperature can be produced. This temperature is sufficient to initiate nuclear fusion reaction. Means such a huge process can be done easily using laser light beam. Now in it is also used for scientific research. In scientific research, lasers are used in many ways, including wide variety of interferometric metric techniques. Raman spectroscopy. This is an example for usage of lasers in experimenting. And laser induced breakdown spectroscopy, atmospheric remote sensing, investigation non-linear optics phenomena, holographic techniques employing laser also contribute to a number of measurement techniques. Laser ladder and technology has been application in geology, seismology, remote sensing, and atmospheric physics. Lasers have been used aboard spacecraft such as in Cassini-Huygens machine. In astronomy, lasers have been used to create artificial laser guide stars, used as reference objects for adaptive optics telescope. These are the major applications by the lasers through which the operation or the aspect or the work can be done very easily, smartly, and accurately. So this is the end of today's topic. Thank you.